Team 101. In this video, we will be analyzing and forecasting the markets for gold from 15th till 16th June. So let's begin. This video will have two parts. The first part we will be analyzing and forecasting for the gold, and the second part would be for crude oil. So we are currently on a 1 day chart for the gold. Here we can see a channel being formed which is some around here. Let me draw that in a zone from here, and the support of the channel would be some around here till some around here. Here we can see that this channel has been acted as a resistance also, and here support also. Now what I'm expecting for the gold to do is that we can see a test towards this particular support zone, or we can also see that the market could even break down. We were bullish for the gold on the weekends. However, the fundamentals in the current situations dictate us that the market momentum, where we have seen a bullish move in the market and we were expecting further bullish move upwards. However, current situations or the current fundamentals due to the COVID-19 tell us that the bullish momentum in the market is now over, and we will experience the bearish momentum in the market for the week ahead from Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Thus, we are bullish. Moreover, we have seen that the hedge managers and the hedge funds had decreased their net long positions in gold and silver, which dictate us that we can expect the gold market to go more lower. We can see a potential test towards the zone. Moreover, we can also see a break through this support zone. Now, moreover, moving on, we can draw a fib channel on a 4-hourly chart, going on a smaller time frame on a 4-hourly chart. Here we can draw an fib retracement some around here till here. Here we can see that the market has recently tested the golden ratio, which is 50. Now what I'm expecting for the market to do is that we can either test this 61.8, and we can see a pullback from this zone towards here. Thus this would be a great position to go short for the gold, and we can further see more downside movement for the gold, or we not seeing rather not seeing a pullback in a bullish movement. We can see the continuation of this bearish momentum going more downwards and testing this support. Moreover, we have recently seen a breakout of an symmetrical triangle. Let me draw that also. This would be the support, and this would be the resistance. That would be some around here. In our prediction, I have told our team 101, if we see a 4-hourly or in 1-hourly candle close below the symmetrical triangle, thus a short position can be created. If a short position wasn't created was created somewhere around here, thus we can increase our take profit in a range of this that will give an risk to reward of 1:2. Moreover, currently we can go short for the gold. Let me draw that also. Moreover, we can draw a resistance line for the gold. Let me draw that also. Some around here till here. Let me draw it more clearly. It would be some around here and some around here till here. This would be a resistance zone, and thus a short position can be created on the test towards this zone. And I would be looking for going short for the gold from some around this zone, and our stop loss would be just placed some around, let me draw that, would be just placed some around 1723. Our we will create a position on some around 1711 till 1715. Our take profit would be this support zone, and we can potentially see a reversal from here upwards as the SP 500 and the Nasdaq SP 500 and the Nasdaq 100 are sailing in strong pressure, and the sellers are in power. Thus, we can see that the gold can pick up a momentum of an safe haven, and the people start dumping their money in the gold rather than investing in the SP 500 and Nasdaq and SP 500 and Nasdaq 100. Thus, we can see a recovery from this sale off. However, the recovery isn't expected before the test towards this zone. Thus, for the gold, in the summary, we are bearish for the gold with an sale position can be created within range of 1711 till 1715 with a stop loss of 1721, which will, if our stop loss hit, which will indicate that the bearish momentum is finished in the market. Let me the stop loss of some around 1725, and our take profit would be some around this zone, as this is zone has acted as in support in the previous. Here it has acted as in resistance. Here several times we have seen that the market has bounces off here first, then here second, then here third, then here fourth, then here fifth, here sixth, and here seventh. And again, we can see a potential test towards the zone and an upwards movement. Thus, we are bearish for the gold until the market reaches this support zone. Thus, after the market has reached the support zone, thus a long position can be created for the gold, and the TP and the stop loss would be updated. Now moving on in crude oil. We are currently on in crude oil 1 day chart. Here we can see that the support trend line on the crude oil has recently broken, and we can see and we have seen and test towards here. Let me draw that in zone. And we were bearish for the crude oil and our weekly forecast, and the same scenario happened as expected. Our downwards move had happened. Now going on in 4 hourly chart. Let me remove this drawing. Here on an 4 hourly chart, as expected, our first take profit had hit on the crude oil, as we can see an M pattern being found, which was also highlighted in my weekly forecast, as the crude oil was making an M pattern some around here till here, and then here till, let me, some around here. Thus, our first take profit had hit, which was some around 35. Then our second take profit would be some around 31 till 32. As the supply of the crude oil remains constant, however, the demand decreases due to the reimposition of the lockdown due to the COVID-19 second wave of virus. Thus, as we have seen a huge sale off after a long bull rally. Thus, what I am seeing that the crude oil could potentially bounce off from this zone, some around here, as the M pattern which has been respected by the market would be completed some around here. Moreover, why I am expecting for the crude oil to bounce off this particular area is due to the fact that in the past we have seen that the crude oil has respected this area as in support, and we have seen a bounce off upwards from here, some around here also first, then our second attempt and our third attempt, and a long bull rally. Thus what I am expecting for the crude oil is to test this zone. Thus a short position can be created. Let me draw that for the crude oil some around here within a stop loss just placed above the resistance line. Let me draw that also. The resistance line would be drawn some around here. Let me draw that. Would be some around. Let me change its color so it's more prominent. Here the resistance line here we have currently seen and test. This would be a great area to go short within take profit of this zone within a stop loss just placed above the trend line. This trade will give an risk to reward of 1 ratio 3.2. Moreover, going moreover we can see a descending channel also being formed on the fib. Let me remove the drawings. Some around here till here and some around here. That's what I am expecting, or what we can see that the fib that the market for the crude oil has been respecting this channel, and we have seen a bounce of here, a test towards here, again a test towards here, and a downwards move is expected towards the support zone, which is some around 32 till 31. Thus, in the summary, what a trader should do that we are bearish for the crude oil due to the fundamentals reason as the supply remains constant, demand decreases. Thus, our sale position can be created some around here within a stop loss just placed above the resistance zone, and our take profit would be some around 32 till 31. And if we see a test towards this zone, a long position can be created within a stop loss, and the take profit would be updated. If you do like my analysis, do like, share, and comment below, and do consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.